Launch it out there. Right off the point. There you go. Go fast. They're after it. Keep doing it. Don't stop it. Keep doing it. Come on, get your lures out there. Fish. Oh, snook. Good. Finally, that's what we're here for. All right, get the net for him. This is a good fish. Be easy on him. Keep the line tight. It's coming at you. Nice snook. That's a prize fish right there. Problem is they're out of season right now, so we're just catching them for fun.
All right. On it, man.
Keep them off the trolling motor.
Got that thing, Rick. Come on.
Jeez. And get a good picture of him. That's a cool fish.
Hell yeah.
That's a good little fish. That hook a catfish? Oh, it's a flounder. Nice. Come on, be a red. I think he's got a good fish on. I'm hoping it's a redfish. It's making a splash, that's a great sign. Big old redfish is what we, oh, nice one. This is what I was coming to this spot for. Big redfish. Nice fish. That's a gorgeous fish. That's a 25-inch red, I bet. That's what we came here for. Nice red. Nice and slow. That's a gorgeous redfish.
There it is. Nice.
That's what we're here for. That's a good picture fish. A good eater too.
Don't go in the trolling mode, buddy.
Come on. There you go.
Nice.
Nice fish.
Hell yeah.
Give me some line.
Bite this rock. Come on. Nice fish.
That's the fish everybody wants to catch. 25, I guess.
You caught the shark. I got the shark. Definitely caught the shark. Definitely caught that shark.
Those are good to eat.
Can you keep them?
Mm-hmm. Is that a flounder?
Yeah.
2 flounder. That's not bad. That one's smaller than mine.
He's got to go back, right?
Yeah. Too bad it wasn't 3 inches bigger. I saw that eat. It doesn't look very big. Is it just a cat?
Oh, this is pretty solid.
That's a big sheep. That's a good fish. That's a good fish right there. Nice. Sheepshead are really good eating. They're one of my
favorite. That's a good fish, man.
Yeah, I love sheephead.
Hell yeah.
That's a good fish. 17 and a half. Is it a red? Yep, that's a red. Not as big as I thought it was. That pole is so tiny. That little guy. Well, hopefully we can catch a couple more of his buddies. When they're that small, there's usually a bunch of them. Looks like he's got some weight to it. Redfish, he caught one.
Whoa, yeah.
There's a whole pile of them. Look, I got one too. Get another bait in there. You found the school of them. That was hilarious. It almost ripped the pole out of his hand.
That was a big red.
That was hilarious. That's another red, but
The fish or the feeder.
we need to find an 18-incher.
That was a big one.
That's a 17, 16. Everybody cast where he just hooked his. Find all of his buddies. Try to find a big one in there. I have that shark. You do. Good luck.
It's gone under the boat, Chief.
Yeah, reel down. Reel down. Now drag him out. Stay off that trolling motor. You probably need to go. Oh, he's coming back. That's a good size one. It's about the same shark.
It's probably the same damn shark. Yeah. Below that trail.
Then we go from the 25-inch to these little dinks all day.
Buddy.
Snook. I'm trying to go through your line. There's another. Big bite. That was weird. Red.
Good.
Nice. There you go. You got that catfish?
Pretty good.
I'm over here talking crap and it's almost a keeper. I guess he does have a good luck. He got the big red too. It's a good fish.
Put another fight. That's a good size one, man.
17 red. Yep. That's funny.
Talking about catching a fish, you catch one.
Yeah, I watched his rod tip get hit right when he said that. Oh my god.
Bill Dance up there running the tower, folks.
He's literally fishing right next to me. He's like calling him out. He's like, here's, that's a keeper. He just caught everybody's limit. That's a big one. What the heck? How is he doing this right next to me? You're not allowed back up here.
You want me to get one? You want me to get another?
He's got confidence that he can come back here and catch another one.
I'll get another one, man. Now I have to rock.
He's got the confidence. We're all over here beating up his spot, just scaring the fish away. Hey, it's a red. There's a lot of little reds on this island. This is probably the most productive spot so far. You're just kind of looking for places out of the current. So the current's ripping here. So you kind of want to just cast in front of where the strong current is and just kind of let it sit where the fish would be lazy. On that side would be right there on the point. Any little ripples from bait fish is a good sign where redfish would hang out. There's a nice red.
Where'd you catch that guy? Right out here?
It was right here on the, right where the current stops. Yeah, right there. You see that swirl right next to it? Big red. Good job. Told you there'd be a red on this bar somewhere.
Nice.
That's a good one. That's a 21. We gotta get a picture of that one. Nice.
Scoop in, score.
That's a good one.
Nice. That's nice.
Catfish Slayer. Big flounder. Nice. Dude, that's the one, that's the biggest one I've seen in a while. Good job.
High five. Hey.
Well,
You're eating.
this is the one you keep whole and just eat them whole. You woke them up.
That's big enough. guy.
Little guy.
Alright, it's okay, it's okay.
Look at him, he's huge. Look at his tail.
Oh yeah.
Put it right on, reel it in, reel it in. There's another giant right in front of us. It's two giants. Keep your eyes peeled. They're all around us. And this little bay right here, just kind of cast it out here. If you see one, try to put it on his nose and let it sit. Yeah, we got one. You got a giant sheephead in front of you. That's a whole school of sheepshead right there, right on the bar. Yeah, there's big old sheephead turning sideways. I'm more interested in this huge drum that I saw over here, though. Where was that drum? He was sitting right here somewhere.
Right out here.
You got him? Yeah, make sure the hook is set hard. All right, so let's help him, guys. He's got a monster. You guys believe me now? All right, be careful. Be careful. This is. Oh my God! Look at that monster. So try to lift up and then reel down, and then slowly lift. I like to put one finger on the reel when I lift, and then reel down. Don't grab it because it'll break. He didn't put up any fight at all.
Not yet.
He doesn't know he's hooked yet. He might get pissed off and take off though. We might get lucky and be able to net him before he figures it out. This is the hard part, is trying to turn him and tell him where to go. You gotta bully him, get him to lay flat. No.
He turned on that.
There he goes.
Yeah, he realizes something's up now. Yeah. Do you need to come around?
Yeah, go up there. That's a giant fish. He's getting farther away. You had him all the way to the boat.
Where were you, net guy?
He didn't lay sideways. All right, start bullying him. Lift up, reel down. Lift up, but when you lift up, this is where you want it. All right, let me show you for example real quick. You gotta start bullying him. So when you reel him in, you just kind of put one finger on the reel, okay. And you can pull him in quicker, and then you reel down. But I just barely touch the reel. That makes sense?
Gotcha.
And I let go. I just kind of touch it if I need to. Okay?
All right.
Don't grab it. You grab it, it'll break. Just barely touch it. Just start kind of telling him who's boss. Tell him, come over here. Yeah, he's getting mad now. He got me wet. All right, turn him hard.
Stuck over there? Yeah. Well, I got unstuck. Had a couple casts. No, there we go. God bless. And a bunch of nibbles. God.
30. That's a 37 all day. 38-inch fish. That's a trout. Nice trout. It's not bad for the first cat. Oh, that's a trout. Never mind. Nice. That's a keeper trout. Get him in. Nice. Oh yeah. Figured out. Oh, they're good trout.
Little guy. Little guy.
So the ones with no spots, don't toss them back. The ones with no spots, there's no limit. That one has spots.
What size?
Spots is 15, no spots, there's no limit. Oh. Alright, they found us.
You guys.
That's a big trout. Flip them in fast. Don't let them dangle. There you go. That's a keeper.
I don't know what happened there, but...
Keep the line tight. Keep reeling. It's probably just another shark. You might have a mackerel or a shark. Yeah, that's a trout. Oh my god, it looked like a huge trout.
Oh man.
I saw it looked like a massive trout.
Yeah.
You guys got a nice little trout pile. This trout was like 2 feet longer than that. It wasn't even a big one. It was a solid. Oh, that's a nice sand trout. Yeah, he's a lot bigger than those first couple we kept. That's a good one. God dang it. Go in the box.
Yep, 2 pops.
Trout. It's a trout. It's a sand trout. He caught one.
Yeah. Skunk no more.